हैव अ कपल ऑफ स्टैंड्स ऑन डिप्रेशन. मैं 2-3 चीज़ें बोलना चाहूँगी डिप्रेशन के बारे में. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, the first information that I had about depression is that it's just that you feel depressed. तो मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि what is this, कि मतलब you feel depressed means what, क्यों, there should be a reason. Then I realized with some information कि ये कुछ chemical लोचा होता है, this is a lack of serotonin, and then you have to supplement it with medication. And then I got myself more trained because I dealt with insomnia for a while, and I was actually put on some medication. And but then I had a lot of questions. There was something that was contradictory, and honestly I never felt right when I was taking medication for insomnia. And मुझे ऐसे लगा कि maybe I want to know more. Then I studied about mental health. I actually got trained. मैं training के लिए गई to study and become a hypnotherapist. वहाँ पे I studied this in Dubai, and वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत questions पूछे about mental health, क्योंकि this was already something that I had lot of experience and lot of understanding about. क्योंकि हमारे पास बहुत लोग आते हैं with depression, they get healing, they get help, they do meditation, we put them through a lot of different things, and लोग ठीक हो जाते हैं. तो मेरे मन में था कि क्या है एक्चुअली, मतलब कई लोग हीलिंग से ठीक हो गए who were actually on medication, हमने उनको ठीक किया है, who have were on like 10 years of medication, 5 years on medication, suicidal, पता नहीं all kinds of things. I'll come to your question. So मैं सोचती थी कि सच है क्या, मतलब is this a chemical लोचा or is it just that मतलब ऐसा कुछ चीज़ है नहीं या whatever. तो मैं बहुत confused रहती थी. When I went for this training, I asked all my questions. So the first thing that came up, which is the information that even I knew, that if depression is only chemical locha in the brain, the lack of serotonin released in your brain, actually 90% of our serotonin is released by our gut, है ना? किसने सुना है, Instagram पे देखा है, पढ़ा है कि 90% of our serotonin वो हार्मोन है जो हमारी ब्रेन रिलीज करती है, हमारी गट में भी होती है, जो इज अ हैप्पी हार्मोन, जो हमें खुश रखती है. जब वो सेरोटोनिन कम हो जाता है तब हमें बहुत लो फील होता है. ठीक है. नाउ पीपल हु ऑल्सो हैव लो सेरोटोनिन, ऑल्सो उनको नींद की प्रॉब्लम होती है, क्योंकि सेरोटोनिन कन्वर्ट्स टू मेलाटोनिन, एंड इसीलिए उनको इंसोम्निया होती है. एंड दैट प्रोबेबली वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई अ लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स विल प्रिस्क्राइब medication like serotonin wale medicines for insomnia. But actually, is this a chemical locha or a lack of serotonin? If 90% of serotonin is released by your gut, फिर it cannot be a mental health issue, no, it's a gut issue, isn't it? And my teacher Marissa Peer, she's one of the best hypnotherapists. When I asked her this question in Dubai 2024 में Feb में, when she answered this question, my brain was blown off, because I knew this, that 90% जो serotonin होता है वो हमारे gut में release होता है. फिर वो mental health issue कैसे बोलते हैं? How can they say depression is a mental health issue? They should say it's a gut issue. फिर दवाई क्यों दे रहे हैं? उनको प्रोबायोटिक देना चाहिए, दही खिलाना चाहिए, कंबूचा पिलाओ, केफीर पिलाओ, वो क्या है, किमची खिलाओ, अचार खिलाओ. क्यों दवाई क्यों दे रहे हैं? क्योंकि कोई उससे पैसा बनाता नहीं है ना. आपकी फार्मा कंपनी कहाँ पे पैसा बनाएगी अगर आपको दही खिलाएगी तो, isn't it? So जब मेरा दिमाग ऐसे, when I realized that depression is not really chemical locha in the brain, it's maybe a lack of serotonin in your released by your gut health को ठीक करो, but still depression exists. Can we actually rubbish the whole concept of depression then? No. What is depression? शुरू करते हैं ABC से. Let's redefine depression. Depression is not wrong. It does not mean something's wrong with you. It means जो एक trauma था या जो एक event था, whatever, or it's a group of trauma or a series of events that have happened in your life. A seed was sown, वो seed germinate हुई, वो बड़ी हुई और plant बन गई, फिर दूसरे seeds भी आए. Sometimes it's the root cause is one thing, sometimes a root cause is two things, sometimes it's a group of things. But when there is unaddressed trauma, जब आपके life में कुछ भी trauma है या event है या whatever it was that was not treated, it has not been dealt with, that will cause depression, that will cause depression, that will cause anxiety. एक वूंड है और आपने उस वूंड को ठीक नहीं किया है और आप हील कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, माइंडसेट चेंज, ये बट वो है, वो एक चाइल्डहुड वूंड है, अबैंडनमेंट है, वो एक था, किसी ने आपको बोला यू आर गुड फॉर नथिंग, someone did tell you something really really horrible, you're the worst person, why did I give birth to you, that stays with you because it's unprocessed trauma. जो exactly. So one of the things that I realized, मुझे जो मतलब जो realization हुई is that when I was going through this training and I was wondering like, oh my god, this is like a different universe only I'm living in right now, because now the whole theory of medication for depression is not a thing. So how does a person get rid of it? So basically you go back in hypnotherapy, at least you go back to, आप hypnosis के state में आप जाते हो उस event को. For example, let's say you're grappling with social anxiety. Okay, someone is grappling with social anxiety or someone is grappling with procrastination. आप postpone करते रहते हो अपने अपने काम को. तो you want to know why do you have this habit, or you are depressed, or you have a problem with focus, or you have social anxiety, or you have insomnia, whatever your issue is. In hypnosis या hypnotherapy, the therapist will take you deep, induct you into a state of hypnosis. और why hypnosis? Because जो therapy हम करते हैं, you can go through therapy, you can go to therapist or you can talk to a therapist. It may take you 6 months, it may take you a year, it may take you as long as it takes you, and it's fine. You will come out of that because you're dealing with a therapist. आप root cause के वो जो issue है, आप root cause में जाके आप उसके बारे में आप उसको एड्रेस कर रहे हो, आप बात कर रहे हो, एंड you're going through that process. वो एक दो सेशन में नहीं होगा, it's a process, sometimes as long as 1-2 years.